got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Do you want to come over and cuddle with me? No? Yeah? Okay. Come here.
Put it.
Indy.
Put it down.
Do you want me to still hold her or you want to just go for it? Because of the mitt. What do you want me to do? No, I think you should hold her. Get it.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Did you see that? That was crazy.
Okay, get in the car. It ain't that high. Go on. In the car. Leaving your dog Doritos on the ground. Why can't you just get in the car? All right, then.
Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on. Come on, get in. Come on, Charlie. Charlie. Get in the tub. Charlie. Come on. Go. Charlie. Charlie. Get in the...
So this is my kitten, Timmy. I just fed him dinner, by the way. He just... he's purring and he wants more food because he's fat. Yeah.
He say wayo.
Boom, 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 let me hear you say wayo. I say boom, 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 and let me hear you say wayo.
Can I have a kiss, please? Stop, come on. Come on. Thank you, you're a good boy. Oh.
Yeah.
¿Qué? No me gruñas, no me gruñas.
What do you mean you don't want to be the TikTok? Don't be scared. What are you, a chicken? I said, what are you, a chicken?
His release command is free, and I am trying to trick him.
Friends? For French freak frog frosting free.
Look at that, that's so funny.
I want to talk about his fall winter hair real quick.
You're so cute.
So it looks pretty short compared to like what he had for his summer hair, but it's really thick and it's so soft, you guys. I wish you could feel it.
Remembering when my old deaf dog thought the back door was shut and he didn't realize until he fell through it.
on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on. Look.
Yeah. Again. Oh. Yeah. I'm in now. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Look. I see them. I see them. You're so clever. I can't have this hand going as well because that has camera on it. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is my baby girl, Daylily. I just adopted her today. She's so sweet. And I figured for her first meal in the house, she gets a nice, juicy steak. I'm letting it cool down for her. Yeah.
Get him.
Oh! Oh!
I know you've been asking for this for a little while now. We think you're finally ready for it.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. Open it up.
What?
Here.
Oh. Thank you. No. Is it a puppy?